Ever wondered why back references and in-text citations are pivotal in a research paper? Well, they are the foundation upon which academic integrity stands, and they are the threads that weave the fabric of research together. They are the silent whisperers that tell the reader where the information comes from and how to trace it back to its source. To the uninitiated, selecting back references and in-text citations might seem like a daunting task. But fear not, for it is a skill that can be learned and mastered with time and practice. The journey begins with understanding the essence of a back reference. Picture a back reference as a breadcrumb trail leading back to the original source. It's a way to give credit to the authors whose work has contributed to your own, and it helps to validate your arguments. The first step in selecting back references is to identify the sources that have informed your work. These could be books, journal articles, websites, or even personal interviews. Keep in mind that the sources should be credible and relevant to your research. Once the sources are identified, the process of citation begins. The citation style may vary depending on the field of study or the requirements of the publication. Some common styles include APA, MLA, and Chicago. Each style has specific guidelines on how to cite different types of sources. For instance, to cite a book in APA style, you need the author's last name, followed by the first initial, the year of publication in parentheses, the title of the book in italics, and the location and name of the publisher. In-text citations, on the other hand, are like signposts within the text. They point to the full citation in the reference list and usually include the author's last name and the year of publication. The second step is to incorporate these citations seamlessly into your text. They can be inserted as parenthetical references, footnotes, or endnotes, depending on the citation style and the flow of your writing. The final step is creating the reference list or bibliography. This is an alphabetized list of all the sources cited in your work. Each entry in the list is a full citation of a source, providing all the information needed for someone else to locate that source. In summary, selecting back references and in-text citations is an art of acknowledging the sources of your knowledge. It starts with identifying your sources, followed by citing them according to a specific style, incorporating them into your text, and finally, compiling them in a reference list. It's a process that requires attention to detail and a respect for the work of others. It's not just about avoiding plagiarism, it's about contributing to the ongoing conversation in your field and being a part of the global community of knowledge seekers. Remember, each citation is a salute to the spirit of research and the quest for learning. Each back reference is a testament to the interconnectedness of knowledge. So the next time you embark on a research project, take a moment to appreciate the importance of back references and in-text citations. They are more than just a formality. They are the heart and soul of academic writing. As we journey together through the realm of academic integrity, your participation and engagement are invaluable. If you found this video enlightening and beneficial, please consider sharing it with others. Your action can help spread the importance of back references and in-text citations to a wider audience. Also, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, let us know your thoughts or any questions you might have. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found the content useful, and remember to subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with more content like this. By doing so, you are contributing to the global community of knowledge seekers.